What if someone told you that while most people are grinding 40 hours a week for a paycheck that comes twice a month, there are ETFs paying dividends every single month with yields over 5%, and most investors have never even heard of them? Most people think high-yield monthly dividend payments are impossible or too good to be true. But what they don't realize is that there's an entire category of ETFs designed specifically to generate high monthly income, and the best ones are paying yields that make traditional dividend investing look like a joke. The catch? These aren't your grandfather's boring utility stocks. These are sophisticated income-generating machines that use strategies most retail investors find difficult to understand. Before diving into the specific ETFs, it's crucial to understand why monthly dividend payments are so powerful compared to traditional quarterly distributions. When dividends arrive every 30 days instead of every 90 days, three important things happen. First, monthly payments create better cash flow management. Investors get steady, predictable income that can be used for expenses or reinvested more frequently. Second, monthly payments provide psychological reinforcement that keeps investors committed to their strategy. Monthly dividend payments create a positive feedback loop that encourages long-term thinking. And this third one is a real game changer. Monthly compounding accelerates wealth building. Monthly dividends are reinvested, and the compound growth effect occurs 3 times more frequently. Over decades, this difference can really add up. But these high-yield monthly dividend ETFs achieve their impressive yields through sophisticated strategies. So let's take a look. ETF number 1. JEPI, the Covered Call Champion. JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, or JEPI, represents one of the most innovative approaches to generating monthly income. With a current yield hovering around 7 to 8%, JEPI actively generates income through a covered call strategy. Here's how it works. JEPI holds a diversified portfolio of large-cap US stocks, similar to what you'd find in the S&P 500. But instead of just collecting dividends from these stocks, the fund also sells call options on the portfolio. When other investors buy these call options, they pay premiums that become additional income for JEPI shareholders. This covered call strategy creates a win-win scenario in most market conditions. If the underlying stocks stay flat or decline slightly, JEPI keeps the option premiums as pure profit. If the stocks rise moderately, JEPI benefits from both stock appreciation and option premiums. The only scenario where JEPI underperforms is during massive bull market rallies. ETF number 2. QYLD, the Nasdaq Income Machine. Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF, known as QYLD, takes the covered call strategy and applies it specifically to the Nasdaq 100 index. With yields consistently above 10%, QYLD has become a favorite among income-focused investors who want exposure to technology giants while generating substantial monthly cash flow. QYLD's approach is straightforward but effective. The fund owns all 100 stocks in the Nasdaq 100 index, then systematically sells call options on the entire portfolio every month. This creates a steady stream of option premium income that gets distributed to shareholders as monthly dividends. Be aware though, when technology stocks are soaring, QYLD will underperform a simple Nasdaq 100 index fund because the covered calls cap the upside potential. But during flat or declining markets, QYLD's option income helps it significantly outperform the underlying index. ETF number 3, XYLD, the S&P 500 Income Generator. Global X S&P 500, Covered Call ETF, trading as XYLD, brings the covered call strategy to the broader S&P 500 index. With yields typically ranging from 8 to 10%, XYLD offers monthly income generation while providing exposure to the 500 largest US companies. This ETF mirrors QYLD, but applies it to the S&P 500 instead of the Nasdaq 100. This broader diversification across sectors can provide more stability during periods when technology stocks are particularly volatile. One advantage of XYLD over more tech-heavy alternatives is its exposure to dividend-paying companies across multiple sectors. While the covered call strategy generates the majority of the fund's income, the underlying S&P 500 holdings also contribute dividend income that adds to the total yield. The fund's performance during different market conditions reveals its true value proposition. During the 2020 market crash, XYLD's option income provided significant downside protection compared to owning the S&P 500 directly. ETF number 4, DIVO, the Dividend Aristocrat Enhancer. Amplify CWP Enhanced Dividend Income, ETF or DIVO, takes a different approach to generating high monthly income. Instead of focusing solely on covered calls, DIVO combines dividend-paying stocks with selective covered call writing to enhance overall yield. The fund targets companies with strong dividend histories and solid fundamentals, then selectively writes covered calls on portions of the portfolio when market conditions are favorable. This flexible approach allows DIVO to participate more fully in bull markets while still generating enhanced income during sideways periods. With yields typically ranging from 5 to 7%, DIVO offers a middle ground between pure dividend investing and aggressive covered call strategies. The fund's holdings include many dividend aristocrats and high-quality dividend growth companies, providing a foundation of sustainable income that gets enhanced through option strategies. DIVO's selective use of covered calls means the fund can participate in significant market rallies while still generating enhanced income. ETF number 5. NUSI, the Downside Protection Specialist. Nationwide Risk Managed Income ETF, known as NUSI, combines monthly income generation with downside protection through a sophisticated options strategy. Yielding around 6 to 8%, NUSI doesn't just focus on generating income, it also uses protective puts to limit downside risk. The fund's strategy involves owning NASDAQ 100 stocks, selling covered calls for income, and buying protective puts for downside protection. This three-pronged approach creates a unique risk-return profile that appeals to conservative income investors who want protection against major market declines. During the 2020 market crash, NUSI's protective put strategy significantly limited losses compared to the underlying NASDAQ 100 index. While the fund didn't capture all of the subsequent recovery due to its covered calls, the downside protection provided peace of mind for income-focused investors. The most important question about high-yield monthly dividend ETFs isn't whether they can generate attractive yields today. It's whether those yields are sustainable over time. Understanding the source of these high yields is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Covered call ETFs generate their high yields through option premiums, not through unsustainable dividend payments from struggling companies. This distinction is critical because option premiums are generated from market volatility and investor demand, not from companies depleting their cash reserves. However, covered call strategies do involve trade-offs. During strong bull markets, these ETFs will underperform simple index funds because the covered calls cap upside potential. Investors need to understand that they're trading some capital appreciation potential for higher current income. Most financial advisors recommend limiting covered call ETFs to 10 to 20% of a total portfolio, treating them as income-generating satellites around a core of traditional index funds. This approach allows investors to benefit from the high monthly income while maintaining exposure to long-term capital appreciation. For retirees or investors specifically focused on income generation, higher allocations may be appropriate. Some income-focused portfolios allocate 30 to 50% to monthly dividend ETFs, accepting the trade-off of reduced capital appreciation potential in exchange for higher current income. But let's not forget taxes. Monthly dividend ETFs create more frequent taxable events than quarterly dividend funds, which can impact after-tax returns in taxable accounts. The monthly distributions are typically taxed as ordinary income rather than qualified dividends, which means higher tax rates for many investors. So it's a good idea to hold monthly dividend ETFs in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, where the frequent distributions don't create immediate tax consequences. This allows the full power of monthly compounding to work without the drag of annual tax payments. The world of monthly dividend ETFs with yields over 5% represents a powerful tool for income-focused investors, but it's not a magic solution to all investment challenges. The covered call strategies that generate these attractive yields work best during sideways or moderately declining markets. During strong bull markets, these ETFs will underperform simple index funds. The key is understanding when and how to use these tools as part of a broader investment strategy. For investors seeking monthly income, these ETFs provide access to institutional-level option strategies that would be difficult or impossible to implement individually. The professional management, diversification, and consistent monthly distributions make them valuable tools for building income-focused portfolios. Which of these monthly dividend ETFs fits best with your income goals? Are you willing to trade some upside potential for consistent monthly payments? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown of high-yield monthly dividend ETFs provided value, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into income-generating investment strategies that most people never hear about. We publish fresh content several times per week. See you on the next one.